All right, so I'm going to show you something that's going to make your time trading so much easier and really give you a really good edge on what the heck is the market doing. Okay. And guess what, guys? God speaks to me and he tells me what the market's going to do. Watch, I'm going to show you. God told me this. Okay. So, first of all, we get price doing things, right? Doing this and then this and this and then right? And we're like, oh, this sucks. This is crappy. I hate it. 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 Right? Actually, this is about to get really good, and not because of you pattern traders out there thinking that this is a wedge and this is gonna like do this right here, and then you're gonna, ooh, yeah, no, that's not what's going on. This is called the real way the market moves. So this is called contraction and expansion, right? So what we're looking for is a lower high and a higher low inside of our structure. And what is that? Well, that's a lower high is lower, and a higher low is higher. And then what do? We're gonna draw a box on it, right? We're gonna draw a box on it like this, and we're gonna mark our contraction zone like this. Now, a couple things are gonna happen here. Either the price is gonna come sweep it right here, right? And come down like this and then go back up, right? Or it's going to sweep that and come down and sweep the low right here. Remember this box, this is what we're paying attention to. And then it's going to either come up, respect the zone, and then come down, or it's going to come take this high again, and then it's going to come take this low, and then it's going to come take this high, and then it may come down here and respect this and then go up, or come down all the way like this, take this low, come up, respect this, and go all the way down like that, right? But the point of this is you can trade once you realize that you find your contraction area, okay, like this. You can go into the trades and wait for the high to be taken, and then see the rejection with the first light beacon, because you know that thing's awesome, right? And then we can get into this trade right here, and you target the low like that, and then you realize you're in another reversal going up, so you target, God, why do I keep doing that? You come in here and you get in and you target the high like that, and right, and then it reverses again and you go, oh, okay, and you target the low like this, right? And then there's you some really good trades right there. Now, how does this look in real life, practical world, right? So that's what everybody's going to want to know. Now I'm going to show you. Now let's find 930. All right, so this is NASDAQ. We're in a 5-minute chart, and we're going to find 930s right here. So we need to find ourselves and this is a really crappy range, right? This is not good. It's not what we want to see. We want to see these big old trends. Well, guess what? This is like, I don't know, 70-80% of the market is what we're doing right here. So you might really want to pay attention to this. Now, what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for a lower high. So where's a lower high? There's a lower high right here. This is a lower high, right? Lower high. And then we need a higher low, and there's a higher low right there, right? So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to just draw ourselves a box on those wicks, those candles, right? And we're going to come sideways, okay? We're going to draw it out sideways. Now, what are we wanting it to do? Well, we want it to come down, sweep the low, come back up, sweep that one, right? And then when you get your reversal, you can get into the trade like this, take this low right here, right? And then you get a reversal, and we can buy this, and we can target this high right there. And look at, oh my goodness, look at that right there. It comes and wicks that high and comes down. I wonder if he knows what he's talking about. And then price does what? Remember, it's going to go up or down, or respect and break. Well, this low hasn't been taken, and it's respecting this zone coming down. So I'm going to go ahead and assume that price is going to come down here and smack this right there, right? And here we are live right now on the market, so it probably is going to do that. And then it's going to either come back up, right? It's going to smack this and come up and take this high here, or it's going to continue down. That's why we have our tools, right? To help us figure out which way what is it doing? What is it like really doing? But this is more than likely going to come sweep this low, and then it's going to reverse and go back up and take this high until they are satisfied with the amount of orders they have, and then they will allow the trend to happen, right? And here's an example of it happening right up here. So this is the previous day, 9:30 right here. Okay, so this is your consolidation. This is what you do. Now your breakouts and your trends. What are we looking for? Well, let's look. Here we go. 9:30 is right in this area, so we need to go prior to that, and let's find our higher low and lower high. Well, this looks good right here. This is a higher low, and this is a lower high, or even this is a lower high if you're doing this way, but I like to go like this. So we're gonna draw a box right there, right, and draw it over. Now what do we get? Well, at open we get a sweep of the high. Come on, give me my button, my thing. We get a sweep of the high right here, right? Price comes down, sweeps the low right here, right? Goes back up and respects the zone. Look at these closes of the candles. They never close over the contraction zone. And then it breaks out. Wow. I hope this makes the market look a lot more simple to you and easier to read, because I'm telling you the sauce right now. This is what makes the market move. This is markets. This is what it is. There's none of this bull crap that you keep seeing everywhere, all over the place, and all these other these ICT, God tells me stuff. No, there's no algorithms. This is literally just orders being freaking filled, because banks, I'm going to tell you exactly why this is happening right now. Banks are not wanting, or big investors or whoever, right, are not wanting to sell this right here, 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 right here. They're losing money, right? And they don't want to buy. They don't want to buy this going up. Buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here, buy here. This is not a good place to be buying. They constantly do. No, they want to buy all. They want to do all their orders right in here. Right here is where they want to be buying and stuff. They want to be buying low down here. So look at contraction, look at expansion. I could draw this out, and it's the same thing. It's going to do the same thing over and over again, because that's how the market moves. There's orders. They're wanting to fill their orders right here, get a fair price. So they keep getting their orders filled here. They got 10,000 contracts they want to fill. They can't just put them all in at once, or price is going to go boom, because there's an order book. Okay, there's got to be contracts to buy. There's got to be sellers selling them the contracts. So look at, we need to buy. Take profit, take profit, take profit, take profits, right? That's how the market moves. I'm literally showing you exactly how it moves. And I'm showing you how to find where this is taking place. Look at this. It's so, once you zoom out and you look, it's so easy to find. It's so easy. It's not hard. There it is. See? So you get your contraction. All right. They came up. No. Lock. They came up. They swept the high. They came down. They swept the low. They went up. Baked you out. Well, no. Then I just drew the contraction area wrong. See what I'm saying? You gotta pay attention. But here is the contraction right here. Lower high, higher low. It's just bigger than what I was expecting. Hold on, I gotta remove these so I can see. Which happens. There it is. Right there. Okay, now let's try this again. They came over, they swept the high right here, right? They came down, they swept the low right here. They went up and swept the high again, right? And then they come down and they respect the zone. And price is now gone, expanding. Boom! Right there. It's that simple. It's that simple. And you see, you can still make mistakes. Like I thought this was this. I still would have had good trades off of that, but this right here would have been telling me a whole lot more. But once you saw this happen here, this was the expansion. This is gone. So how do you trade that? Well, okay, you just do your risk management and you buy it. And I bet you there's a first light beacon zone right there. I bet you anything there is. And then, you know, 2 to 1s, whatever. I don't know. There you go. Never even see drawdown. PP hit, right? And then we start over, and it starts all over again. Does it again, all over and over and over. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys this again because I really want to get it beaten down into your brains that this is how the market moves. This is what you need to be focusing on to look for your trend bias and stuff like that throughout the day. How to trade ranging days, right? You want to do this for a living? You want to make money? You need to know how to do this when the market isn't saying, hey, just buy me and going straight up, or hey, just sell me and going straight down. Because the majority of the time, this is what we're getting. Okay? This is what we're getting right here. That's what it is. That's what it is. So start to practice this, back test, go back, look, draw zones, this and that. Use your first light beacon to help you get into the entries and get the pinpoint entries and stuff like that. But as far as knowing what the market's doing and understanding what phase of the market you're in right now, this is it. All right? Have a good one.